Hey, I'm Jason. Today in the lab, we were going to do a really complex scientific video with some complicated equations, but we decided since, hey, it's Friday, it's football season, let's break some stuff. We got our bench vise set up, and we got our big power tool set up to drive the handle of this vise. We're going to crush some stuff inside of here. So we're going to start with a pressure transducer, and we're going to try to crush this football, and we got a few other things to see what happens when we turn the handle of this thing and press go. All right, let's get some safety glasses on and check it out. Oh, what kind of reading we get? Maybe I don't know how a pressure sensor works.
Oh no. I can't believe it helped.
All right, so there we have it. There's still a little air in this ball, but we got a total failure of the seams. This was our overinflated football. The underinflated version, the Tom Brady Signature Edition, definitely wasn't as spectacular of an event. So if you guys have something you want to see crushed, maybe a guess for how much torque it's going to take to crush it, leave a comment down in the comments section. See you next time.